Okay, so if you work on a lot of computers, here's one thing to avoid. I've had this happen with Macs as well, but basically if you have two of the same computers or similar, sometimes they don't even have to be the same. It's more because the magnets that are in it. So you probably don't know, but inside here they have little electromagnet sensors. So when you, let's see if I can find where the magnet is, but oh, here we go. So there's one magnet here. So as you can see, the screwdriver, I'm kind of letting go and it's like staying there. So as you can see, there's a magnet there. And basically what that does, I think that's the only one. But basically what that does is when you close it and the magnet is close enough to here, it'll act like the screen is closed. So you can do that with a normal magnet as well. If you just grab a random magnet and just stick it in this area, it'll turn off the screen. So this gave me a scare because I got both these computers working. They stacked it together, and then you try and turn it on, and then like nothing's happening. Nothing's happening. But if I move this, see, it's on. If I set it back down, it's off. If I lift it back up, it's on. Put it back down, it's off. Lift it back up. Oh, it's in sleep mode. So that's one thing you kind of have to look out for, because you will think that, see, there you go, it's back on again, and now it's back off again. So that's one thing you want to look out for. I've had that happen on Macs too, and I was like so confused. I was like, why isn't the computer working? Like, what happened? It was fine before. And because I have like so many that I work on, you see that, like stacks of them. So sometimes you don't think about it, you stack them together, and then the computer turns off. See, all I did was lift it up, I set it back down. Yeah. So if you work on a lot of computers, that's one kind of funny thing to look out for that might give you a headache. You'll be scratching your head like, why are these computers all broken? So just keep that in mind. And yeah, that's it. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.